Today we're showing you a 2018 Kubota M7-151 tractor. The tractor has a Kubota LM2605 self-leveling quick attach front loader on it. The tractor's got lots of options on it. It's a very nice tractor. It has just under 2,000 hours on it. Paint is nice and bright. Looks very good. Mechanically, there are no known issues with the tractor. Starts, runs, and drives as it should with no known issues. Again, as you can see here, the paint's in great shape on the tractor. It does have the third function to operate a grapple or a bale squeeze, anything like that. Plumbed right to the front here. Global style hookup for your bucket connection. Also has a front weight carrier for the weights. If you want to add weights, you can certainly do that if you want to take the loader off. Mirrors on the cab. It's got the Michelin Radial tires on it, which are in great shape. Has a single point connector for your loader hookups. Has got the corner post exhaust, panoramic entry doors on both sides, flange wheels, buttons back here for your PTO and 3-point, rear window defogger and rear wiper, more work lights back here. Has the triple rear remotes, 540 PTO. Believe this is also 1,000 capable, but double check the listing on that, but certainly believe it's also 1,000 capable. Does have the cab suspension. Just a super nice tractor. Show you the inside of the cab here as well. It looks like the bottom step has got a little ding in it, but it's very few cosmetic flaws on the tractor. It's got tilt and telescopic steering wheel, left-hand power reverser, allows you to change direction without clutching. Buddy seat here on the left, full air ride seat for the operator. Got all your controls to the right here. 3-point transmission. It's got the Powershift transmission. You can also change direction right here on this command handle here, whatever you want to call that. Loader joystick. Back here you've got climate controls and radio. Rear view mirror. It's a super nice tractor. If you're looking for a tractor for haying or handling bales, anything of that nature, this one's going to make a pretty nice fit. Again, it's a 2018 Kubota M7-151, 1940 on the hours. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have a trade-in, we can certainly help with that as well. If you have a question on this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us. Either on the phone at 330-359-5405 or on the web, masttractor.com.